Hey there, it's Justin from Porsche Colorado Springs. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos and I figure it's time. So while it's blistering hot out here, I'm gonna do kind of a quick lap. We have this absolutely gorgeous graphite blue metallic with a two-tone chalk graphite blue leather interior. This car happened to be spec'd or put together by the Porsche Exclusive department. That's extremely rare to see a car like that kind of come through the process. And also, they put their little, kind of their nameplate on here to just let you know. So that's actually a personalized door sill that lights up from the Exclusive Manufactur department. This one has 4,081 miles on the odometer. Very well spec'd out, having the sports chrono package and sport exhaust. Our previous owner upgraded the stereo system. Actually, pop the front trunk so we can see some of that stuff. Also had this incredible Akrapovic exhaust system installed. I have no idea what that piece costs, but I'm assuming it's somewhere in the $10,000 range just for the exhaust system alone. And then there's some features up front you'll see in the grille. Up here, this car has also been kind of pre-fitted with a radar detection system. And then there's a local company, Elite Auto Salon, installed this stereo system. This is actually some protection piece, but obviously extremely custom made for this car. Really high-end stuff. And then it is a Targa. So what would a Targa video be without seeing the operation of this? So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to hop inside here. And let's start it up real fast. It's going through our certified pre-owned process. So we gotta service it, clean it up. Hear that little beep? That's our radar detector coming on. And then all I'm gonna do is just pull up on our lever here. See if we can watch some of this happen. Here we go. Top comes up and over, closes down, latch is closed. And then if you look in the rear view mirror here, there's our clamshell. Windows are rolling up. Someone's pulling up behind me. Let's hop out, take a peek at the car real quick. Look at that. It's got that very cool blue top to go on with it. Beautiful car. Anyway, hope you like it. Look forward to speaking with you soon.